Abby again with AhHa Broadway. I'm back with another short acting tip to help you be the best you can be. So this is called a technique, different methods of acting styles, one that you can study a lot and for years. So this method is called substitution. And what does that mean? Same way that if you're cooking a recipe, you may need to substitute an ingredient that you don't have. So we do the same thing in acting. Now we talked a little bit about character developing, and in developing those characters, we may be playing somebody that is not very similar to ourselves. So we need to be able to take our own experiences and substitute what that character is going for. And that really does mean you have to go into the text. You need to look at the entire story to really see all the different situations that that character might be in. Now, for example, if I was playing a character who lost a pet, and I, as Abby, have never lost a pet, I would need to know, how does that feel? How am I going to betray that? So I might need to substitute something that happened to me, sometime that I felt lost, I lost something, or sometime I was really sad. What's the emotion behind the conflict? We can always relate to emotions because we've all been through our own stuff, and that only empowers us to tell more of our story. Now, if it's something you're really not familiar with, for example, a place, the whole play may take place on Mars. Well, I don't think any of us have ever been to Mars. And if you have, let me know. I do a vacation. But I can substitute being someplace that is unusual for me, or the first time I ever went to the beach, right? It's just something I couldn't even imagine until I saw it. So by using substitution, we bring more truth into the story that we're telling. The more truth we bring, the more the audience responds. So dig deep, get into the research. Bye, everyone.